Is your AI stuck in rush hour traffic? One request at a time. While you wait, what if you could turn that single lane into a superhighway? Today, we're building the script that makes your AI 10 times faster. No more waiting. Let's unleash its true speed. Before we jump in, subscribe, comment below, get your coding vibe for today. Here's the problem. Standard Python talks to an AI one question at a time. It sends a prompt, waits, gets a response, and only then sends the next one. For multiple requests, this sequential process becomes a massive bottleneck, wasting time and slowing down your entire workflow. To build this, we'll use vibe coding. We'll give our AI a simple, natural language prompt describing the goal. Create an asynchronous Python script to make concurrent AI API calls and measure the speed. Subscribe to get the full vibe coding prompt we use. First, we import our tools. Asyncio for concurrency, HTTPX for asynchronous web requests, and time to measure our success. We also set up our API key and endpoint, keeping sensitive data secure using environment variables. Next, we define our core asynchronous function, call_i_appy, using the async keyword. Inside, we await the API call with HTTPX This await is key. It lets Python work on other tasks instead of just waiting, and we've added error handling to make it robust. Now for the magic. The main_concurrent_ calls function takes our list of prompts, creates a task for each one, and then uses Asyncio. Gather to launch them all at the same time. This is where we turn our single lane into a super. Finally, in our main block, we define a list of example prompts. We start a timer, run our concurrent function with Asyncio.run and then stop the timer. We print the results and the total time taken, revealing the massive performance gain. And there you have it. We transformed a slow, one-by-one process into a rapid, concurrent powerhouse. By running API calls in parallel, we slashed the execution time, making our AI workflow faster, more efficient, and scalable. This is how you... Did you vibe code smarter today?